Performance standard. Concrete will contract and expand due to temperature changes. This is an unavoidable, natural occurrence over which the builder has no control. Minor cracks are normal. Concrete has the potential to shrink 3/10 of an inch in 50 feet, which may show up as a crack. Cracks exceeding 1/4 of an inch in width should be repaired by surface patching. Responsibility. The builder will repair cracks greater than 1/4 inch in width only during the warranty period. A stack of 4 pennies is about 1/4 inch. Most cracks we see are 1/8 inch or less. This crack is 1/16 inch. If your cracks are approaching the 3 or 4 penny guide, contact us. Reasons to address cracks. Preparation and cosmetic. Preparation. Filling cracks before applying a floor sealer or epoxy finish will improve the final result. Cosmetic. Filled cracks just look better. This repair is considered homeowner maintenance. Level of difficulty. Moderate. Time needed. Plan several hours. Is contractor assistance available for this maintenance? Yes, please contact us. Materials needed: ACE brand concrete crack filler or USG brand latex concrete caulk and caulk gun, a bucket of warm water, a sponge with a fine and a coarse side for scrubbing is best, a utility knife, a broom and dustpan, a putty knife. A steel putty knife may provide the best results, plastic gloves, and rags. With a utility knife, cut the filler nozzle at about 45 degrees. Make a second flat cut level just below the tip. Notes: the ideal working temperature for the crack filler is between 55 and 70 degrees. The filler material will dry faster if the temperature is warmer. This can make cleaning out the excess filler a little more difficult, so scrape with a steel putty knife. The filler cures slower at cooler temperatures, so wait a little longer before sponging up the excess filler. Sweep to remove dust and dirt. Gather your crack filler, putty knife, bucket of warm water, sponge, and rags. Apply filler on top of the crack. Force the filler into the crack with a putty knife. Scrape off the excess filler. Periodically clean the putty knife with a rag. With a damp sponge, clean off the remaining excess filler. Rinse the sponge in warm water often. Wring it out, keeping it as dry as possible. Too much water will cause the crack filler to shrink when it dries, leaving the crack unfilled. Let it dry. Completion notes. Check your work after 24 hours. If there are any skips or voids, repeat the repair steps as necessary. If you are going to put a seal coat or epoxy finish on the floor, sand any excess filler from the surface with a sanding block or palm sander. It's that easy.